Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Q-Fire range by Unicrimp. So let's dive in and check the products out. So here we have a broad range of fire-rated products to keep you up to speed with regulations. It's crucial that you prioritise these products in every installation where emergency responders and the public need to be safeguarded. And it's not only escape routes, but the whole installation, as the regs will require that all cables be adequately supported in the event of a fire. Our Q-Fire range includes various solutions, such as fire-safe cable clips, all-round banding, stainless steel ties, P-clips, saddle clips, masonry screws, and much more. These fixings provide a variety of protection. P-clips and saddle clips feature an LSF coating to prevent cable damage. Fire-safe cable clips boast a non-corrosive finish. Our fire-safe metal cable clips are stress crack resistant and can withstand high temperatures due to their high-grade steel construction. Additionally, we offer fire-resistant foam and sealant that can be used in internal or external applications. These are just a few points that we've covered, but there are many more features and benefits to the Q-Fire range, all of which are essential for making sure you keep up with fire-related regulations. If you want to see more from us here at Unicrimp, then please check out the website at unicrimp.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you like these 60-second favourite videos and want to see more, then please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.